Window after window after window, beautiful views, spectacular penthouse. This is the penthouse at the Brava in Houston, Texas. This is actually penthouse 2. This is stunning. Look at these details. I mean, look at the views. The wall, it's a wall of windows with amazing views on the 45th, 46th floor. It's stunning. And then there's this kitchen. That's the perfect entertaining kitchen. It's just amazing. This is a perfect penthouse for your needs. There are 2 bedrooms. There's 1 bedroom over here, and then there's another bedroom over here, and then there's also a really, really nice study. And the study area is really cool. Look at this. How fun. And it closes off with kind of this door like this. So it's a study. It could be a guest bedroom if you needed it to. But man, it's perfect. The parties that you're going to have here are going to be amazing. The fun, the lifestyle you're going to have here is going to be unbelievable. Hey, there is a number below. I want you to send me a text and say, hey, Grant, I like what I'm seeing. I need some speedy, fast service. I don't have time to mess with people that don't know what they're doing. That's why I like this video. I want your help, and I need you to keep my information private. Hey, that's exactly what I do. I love keeping my confidence of my clients. I love working with penthouse clients. They're the best. They're fun to work with, and I'm sure that's you also. Send me a text on the number below. We'll get working and come up with the perfect penthouse for you. It might be here at the Brava. There's definitely some options. If it isn't, we'll compare some other options in Houston until we find your perfect place. So send me a text on the number below. Can't wait to hear from you. And we've got another video coming up of this penthouse too.